to try and create a false narrative. Essentially, what they're saying.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Washington beginning at 8:09 p.m. and ending at 9:09 p.m. The Washington State Patrol on behalf of the Berrien Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a 5-year-old and 5-month-old. Victims are a 5-year-old female named Harmony Collins who is 3 foot 10 inches tall, weighs 53 pounds, has brown hair, brown eyes, wearing hoodie, jeans, black/white Nike shoes, and a 5-month-old male Don Patchworth, 2 foot 3 inches tall, weighs 17 pounds, has brown hair, brown eyes. They were last seen on December 12, 2025, 12 o'clock. They are in the company of Tilly Castillo, a 31-year-old female who is 5 foot 7 inches, weighing 184 pounds, with brown hair, brown eyes, wearing gray Adidas shoes. They may be traveling in a black 1997 Toyota Camry, Washington, license CSG 6263. If you have information, please call 911.
Months after being mistakenly deported